Hey my lovelies, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your girl Chef Angie here and we're back with another video. Yes guys, so we're back with another video and can you see my voice has been cleared? Praise God. Well anyways, so we're back with another video and today we're going to be doing a cooking video, and we're not just going to be cooking anything. We're cooking with a budget of 600 naira. We're cooking sweet potato pottage, yes, with a budget of 600 naira. So I'm going to be showing you the ingredients I got from the market, so it's not like I see, oh, maybe she added some things and all that. Well, as part of this, I would not be including the seasoning and all those other mede as part of the 600 naira because I feel like it's every basic seasoning that everybody should have at home, like salt, pepper, and maggi, you know, all of that. Everybody's supposed to have that at home in one place or the other. So I'm just going to be showing you the key ingredients sort of. So guys, if you can hear anything at the background, please forgive me. I think there's like a mosque at my area. There's a mosque and there isn't a microphone, so I think that is entering my video, but I'm so sorry guys, please bear with me. So guys, the first ingredient I have here is sweet potatoes. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is sweet potatoes. Please don't let the light deceive you. And I already cut it and like peeled it and cut it because I don't like wasting time. I don't have the strength to come and start peeling in front of you guys. But anyways, this is sweet potatoes and I got this for 200 naira, but I already used part of it for something else, so definitely 200 naira is more than what I have here. So you can always use some for some things and some for other things. So the next thing or the next ingredients I have here is okay, so this is onions. I have about 5 bowls. I think it's just 4, but there's one more on my plate. I have 5 bowls and I got this for 50 naira. And not the funny thing, I won't use everything. Sorry guys, I won't use everything, but I got this for 50 naira. Then I have pomo. I'm going to be cutting this into small pieces because I don't want to eat like one like that. Just going to cut this into small pieces so I can, in every bite of potatoes I'm eating pomo. And I got this one for 100 naira. It's so small. If you go to places like abattoir, you'll find this. You find something bigger than this, even if it's 100 naira and you want to buy. Then I have palm oil. You guys, palm oil has become expensive. This small thing like this is 100 naira. 100 naira! Ha! Well, it's not 100 naira. I got this one and it's so small, but I do not want so much oil in my potatoes, so I think this is alright with the amount of potatoes I have. And this is Igbo palm oil, not Yoruba palm oil. I'm saying this because of somebody. Then I have, I think they call this shombo. Yeah, I think that should be the name. Please, if you know the English name, put in the comment section. Thank you. So I'm going to be blending this just to make like a paste. I actually wanted to go for tatache, but tatache is really expensive. Like 3 tatache is how much? I think 200 naira. So I could get about, let's see, I can't count it now guys, I don't want to waste your time. So I have close to like 10 sticks of this, 10 of this. So I got this for 100 naira, and according to the woman I bought it from, she said it is like tatache. I would try to believe her. Yes, so that was 100 naira. Then I have ugu leaf. I do not always like my potatoes or plantain porridge, anything porridge being so plain. So I usually add leaf. So this one, I got it for 50 naira. It's a lot. You can always decide to leave this out, but I don't like it plain, so I'm going to leave it. Yeah, I'm not going to put it like this. You see what I'll do with it, guys. So I think I've shown you all my ingredients. That's sums up to 600 naira. So guys, I think it's about time we get into the kitchen. So let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is try to make a pepper mix, but before that I'm going to have to remove the seed from my shombo. I heard from someone that the seed actually makes your food bitter. I'm not so sure about that, so when I'm sure I'll let you guys know on Instagram. at Chef Angie. So follow my Instagram handle, guys. Alright guys, so after I remove the seed, this is what it looks like. No seed at all. Oh, this one still has one. Well, so no seed at all. Then I'm going to be blending that now, and I'm going to be using that with 2 onion. I just chopped off 2 onion, and then I'm going to be adding 1 clove of garlic to it. So let's get blending. Alright guys, so this is what I have after blending. Then in a hot pot, you're going to put your palm oil. Please make sure your pot is not as hot as mine. We're not trying to burn the house. We're just trying to make the palm oil really hot, not trying to bleach it. So when it's hot, then I'm going to add my onions into it. I'm adding 2 balls of onions, and I'm going to mix that and let it cook till it becomes almost translucent, but not translucent. So I'm going to add my pepper mix now and wait for it till it becomes really dry. So guys, while I'm waiting, I'm going to be cutting my ugu leaf. So let me tell you a little story. When I was small, I usually beg my mom to let me cut ugu leaf, but she's like, I don't know how to cut it. But I'm like, it's not just to cut. Then she was like, nah. So after begging for some time, she decided to give me, and then I started cutting. She was like, no, you're cutting it the wrong way. So apparently you have to cut your ugu leaf forward, or any leaf you're doing, you definitely have to cut it forward. As you can see, that's what I was trying to do, and it's pretty hard if you're not a professional. So you know, those market women are really professional, and whenever I go to the market, I usually see them cutting leaf forward. So apparently that seems to be the right way. So you cut it and make sure that it's really thin, like what I did here. So guys, now my pepper mix has become very dry. I'm going to add my seasoning. So I added salt, then I added 2 knorr cubes, chicken knorr, then I added Cameroon pepper. I just love it when Cameroon pepper is in this thing, just gives it a very sweet taste. Then I'm going to add water. I'm going to be adding water enough to boil my potatoes. So if your potatoes is more, then that means you need more water. Please don't make the mistake of splashing your potatoes like this, because you might get hurt in the process. So I'm going to leave that to boil for some time. As you can see, I added a little more water because my water wasn't enough. Now it's boiled. Now my potato is almost soft, but not yet soft. So I added pomo when it was almost soft, and I turned it because I want to mash up some potatoes. I don't like when potato is just water. So guys, now it's almost ready. So before I remove it from fire, I'm going to add ugu leaf. Yes, so I'm just going to cook this for about 2 minutes. It doesn't take long time for leaf to cook. So this is what I have, guys, and it was delicious. Alright my lovelies, we've come to the end of this video. If you loved what I did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and also comment what you think about this video. And if you try this, tag me on Instagram. I'll see you all next week. Bye.